So this morning, again, I'm having another one of my little spontaneous moments of movement. You know, they're not 100% spontaneous because I have to set the camera up. And I'm not really great at camera work. Okay, but I'm getting there. So this morning, about 30 minutes ago, I was realizing this one movement I really like. It's a yoga pose. I think it's Warrior 3. I'm not sure. But I had this desire to get up and do it. And the reason I have this desire, I'm going to tuck my shirt in so you can see this, is because it has a lot to do with the way you walk. So I'm going to create another video on how this relates to walking. But remember this whole spontaneous stuff is that you just get up and do something that feels good without planning it with your workout. Just getting away from the whole planning of workout, planning of movement, and getting more in your body. Okay, so in Warrior 3, or whatever it's called, you have your hands on your, I have my hands on my hip, making sure my hips are level. And I go down, making sure my knee is back over my heel. And don't worry about the back leg, heel coming up, because I really want you to feel your pelvis dropping, and you're in this, you're hanging there. And you're really actually very similar to walking, because in walking, if you really have a beautiful stride, you get to move. You get to move from this back leg, and you get to fall into the front leg. So this Warrior 3 is kind of a cool move because you can also relax your arms and you can drop into your hips. And really dropping into your hips is, let me get my knee back, is probably the hardest concept to grasp in the movements I teach. But anyway, the front of your right thigh will get a stretch. You'll feel yourself dropping in your hips. You'll feel letting go into your body. And then the back leg can kind of push you out. And that's real similar to a beautiful gait, walking, increasing your stride. So that's the moment of this morning of the movement, spontaneous movement of the morning. Whatever. Have a good Friday. Bye.